Hi guys, Dave's here. Well, it's been a while since I made a video. You can see I'm not wearing no glasses now. I had some surgery done on my eyes. If you got cataracts, I recommend get that done. I should have had that done a few years ago. The only thing I have to wear now is some reading glasses. Well, you remember a while back I made a video, easier way to install Sawtooth hangers like this right here using blue painter's tape. Well, I come across something in Walmart is these new type of Sawtooth hangers, and they got the nails with them. You don't have to hold them. So I'm not getting paid for none of this or nothing. No, I'm not sponsored by them, but I thought I'm going to show you what I found. And let's try them out here. Okay, here they are. This is what you're going to be looking for. So let's try them out here. Okay, I've done got my places marked where I'm going to put them at. So let's get them out of here. This is what they look like. You see the nails, it's got these two little plastic things here, so we don't have to worry about holding those tiny little nails. Why hadn't somebody come up with these before? So I'm going to put 2 on this one here. Like I said, I've done got these marked, so I'm going to put it right here. Look at that right there. How simple is that? Well guys, like I said, I wish they came out with these done years ago. The brand is OK. And I bought these at Walmart, and some other places might start selling these too. I don't know. You might get them online too. Like I said, I'm not getting paid to endorse these or nothing. But I just wanted to show you these. And they cost just a little bit more, but they're worth it. You don't have to hold those little nails. So I hope this helps somebody. And always, thanks for watching guys.